Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick. I'm so grateful you're joining me today for the Skillshare class. I am super excited to be sharing some fun watercolor and ink techniques with you today. In this class, you will learn how to paint whimsical flowers with watercolor and inks that are bold and graphic and easy to paint. I'll walk you through each watercolor painting and illustration technique, demystifying the how-tos along the way before we start painting the final project together. You can paint beautiful, whimsical flowers that are radiant with color and happiness. Watercolor and inks are really easy color mediums to work with, and the possibilities are endless. There are so many things you can do with the work that you create. I believe we all need a bit of light, love, and encouragement in our daily lives, and it is my intention to help you create more joy in your life through painting. May you find pause from the hustle, pure joy and inspiration here. I'm so excited that you're here. Let's get started and have some fun.